What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I want to do a solo ads freedom stack review. I purchased this product the other day and I just wanted to share it with you because I believe it is a great training, when it comes to doing solo ads. Now, solo ads do get a bad rep now. A lot of people do not like solo ads, and for a good reason, because there are a lot of solo ad providers out there that are selling bot clicks, not real human clicks. And so therefore people, it's gotten a bad name, and I don't blame them. But I ran across this training and I wanted to share it with you if you're into purchasing solo ads. I believe solo ads work for certain types of products, okay? And if you can get a hold of those products and become an affiliate for those products, then you can make sales with solo ads, providing that you have the follow-up right, you have the great, a product that actually works, and a product that people are willing to buy. I normally, before I try to even promote a product, whether to solo ads or even do a YouTube video about it, what I want to do is I want to purchase the product and see if the product is actually really worth promoting to someone else, even to a stranger whom I don't know, and then it's worth me taking the time out to create a YouTube video about it. And this is one of those products I feel like, it's worth me creating a YouTube video about, so I wanted to share it with you today. So this is the actual web page, a website. Okay, stop chasing traffic, start owning it. Here's how to get buyer traffic on demand. And this is the attention to aspiring digital entrepreneurs and affiliate marketers. So if you're affiliate marketers, and aspiring entrepreneurs, then this is for you. And like for me, I'm an affiliate marketer, so this is gonna, works good for me. And I'm always looking for training on solo ads. So what you want to do, watch this 2-minute video by David Espanol. He's going to explain how it works. It's only 2 minutes and 18 seconds. Build your solo ad empire today. The exact copy and paste system we use to generate income by leveraging the most misunderstood traffic source in the world. And the truth is, this is misunderstood. So you get a 30-day money back guarantee, secure checkout, instant access. And here are just some of the results that they may have been getting with this. Now, I take these results with a grain of salt because this could have been from 2 or 3 years ago. So keep that in mind when you're looking at pages like this. Just read through this page and you'll see how it works. Solo ads made simple, finally. Okay, and everything you're going to get right here. Why people tend to fail at solo ads, the scam cycle, empty wallet, tech trap. So the 3-step solo ad success is pick a proven vendor. Okay. Use our vetted vendor list. No guessing, no scams. 5-minute. Copy our email swipes. They have swipes for you 10 minutes, and you collect the commission. You have to follow the training. So this is totally up to you whether you follow the training or not, or you just continue to try to do things your way. And the old way is guessing which vendors are legit, wasting hundreds of hours on bots, write emails from scratch at flop. No system, no strategy, stay stuck at zero commission. The freedom stack way, which is recommended, use our vetted vendor list, tested and proven. Only buy from sellers who deliver real buyers. Copy high converting email swipe, follow 90-day traffic plan step by step. Finally, build real momentum in affiliate marketing. So the solution is Solo Freedom Ad Stack. You can read that right here. So step-by-step system. Why you need a buyer's list. It explains that all of this information is on here. The complete breakdown, how it works, done for you solo ad vendors list, 3 months traffic plan, solo ads mastery mini guide, and step 4 solo ads mastery key, everything you need. And when you order today, you'll get $285 worth of bonuses for free. So everything you're going to get right here is right here. The solo ads freedom stack course, $497. Secret vendor directory, $197. High converting email swipes, $97. Live mastery recording, $197. Traffic budget calculator, $47. Daily action tracker sheet, $27. Total value, $1,176. Yours today for only $17. One-time payment used forever. So You come down through here, you have the, going to tell you have the three choices. You can do nothing, figure it out at once, or use Freedom Stack. So you come down through here and you read this. You can pick it up for $7. You can come on down. This is by Dave Espanol, Anil Carnay, whatever his name, him. And so this is what the actual sales page looks like. So when you go through this, you're actually going to have some upsells. So the one time off is $17. The upsell for that is 3,000 done for your email swipe vault, $9.95. OTO, $27. Another OTO drops down sale, $17. Low high ticket converting list, $12.95. OTO 3, $17. OTO 4, one-time offer is $47. Inbox domination blueprint, $27. OTO 5, $2.50. And $1,000 a day with email marketing, $9.95. So you see that those are upsells. So there are upsells for you to go through the process. So when you get those, when you get the AM Freedom Stack, and you can get these if you decide you want them, but you're going to come here and this is going to be your back office. Welcome to the Solo Ad Freedom Stack blueprint. You're in, your empire starts here. It explains, how he spent money using this Anil. Your complete value stack, everything you're going to get right here and things. And so this is where you're going to start. You're going to bookmark the page. Then you're going to go to step 2, get response in Warrior Plus. Before you get response, there is a link for it in the description down there below, so you can pick it up by clicking the link in the description below. But you will need get response. So you're going to have your complete training library. Step 1 is Solo Ads Mastery. So if you click here, you can just simply open up the course. This is going to take you through step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 13 steps in here that you're going to go through, and just quickly, walking through all of the process, taking you step by step in order to get everything done. So let's go back to step 1, creating your affiliate accounts. So if you come down here, then you get in your email autoresponder. You can get Aweber or get response. I will have a link for Aweber in the description as well, so you can get either get response or Aweber, or if you're using them already, you're good to go. Then you're going to have step 3. You're going to have to create your landing pages, some examples of opt-in pages and thank you page examples as well. Okay, privacy policy and things you're going to add to the page. You're going to, next is picking the right offer. Then getting you approved, okay? They have the letter here for you to do that. The email follow-up, you have some emails here done for you, subject lines, all of that, type of stuff right here is done for you as well. It's going to help you out. You can unlock the vault by clicking here, buying traffic, Udemy, Traffic Zest. And don't worry about neither one of these. I'm going to give the link that I'm giving you in the description. Is going to take you to both of these places right here. So you're going to have access to that as well. The private vendors list, you're going to get access to that. If you click this button, so you can see who his private vendors are. The budget strategy, your three month budget strategy. So you're going to have that as well. You have a traffic plan here. Affiliate links, adding your affiliate links, doing everything right. Optin Dojo, I have a link for that in the description. Click a Vault, a link for that is in the description as well. Click Magic, you can get that if you don't have it already. Daily email broadcasting, what time to do it. Then you have step 11, which is scaling from 0 to 500 a month. Everything you need right here. Troubleshooting what could be wrong, all of that right there. And then the resource hub is 13 out of 13. This is where you're going to get all of your, the things that you need in order for this to work. So that is the actual system that you're going to get. And then you have the basics of affiliate marketing, a PDF guide you're going to get, Solo Ads Funnel Starter. Download the PDF. Done for you Solo Ads vendor list, 3 months ad traffic plan, and a mini guide. And then you have accesses to upgrade accesses. If you want to upgrade to anything, you can do that down here, and exclusive bonuses and things like that. Follow the exact order and you should have success. Here's the refund policy if you want to read through that, and it says stop reading and start building. So if you want to pick this up, there will be a link for it in the description. That link is going to take you to this page right here. It's going to take you to this page, and you're going to be able to watch the video right here. Once you watch the video, if you decide you want it, you can go ahead on and click and get it here on the button right here. You come down here. What I have for you are the traffic that you can already get. Okay, you got traffic zest right here, so you can click on that and get traffic zest. You got wholesale, premium traffic, painless traffic, field solo ads, the OLSP system solo ads, Udemy, Rodney's solo ads, and Success with Mark. These are vendors that I have used and that I continue to use when I'm promoting Warrior Plus type products and things like that. So I recommend that, you come to this page and get it too. Get response link and Aweber link will be in the description as well. Click a vault as well, so you can go ahead and get those down in the description. So if you want to pick up AI Freedom Stack, go ahead, click the link in the description, pick it up to get started. As a bonus for you, like I said, as a bonus, I'm just going to give you access to some other traffic sources that may not be inside of the training itself, okay, so that you can get access to, and you also see the #1 business that I'm promoting here that I might want to check out, and a couple of other products here that I'm doing as well. So with that being said, go ahead and click the link in the description, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.